machine is a double couple of rolls pre-refiner, whose particularity is to keep the pre-refined cacao naturally under 35 degrees centigrade. Keep in mind that the step of pre-refining together with wrong roasting and refining are steps that can spoil the flavor of your product. There are high-speed machines that can increase the temperature of pre-refined cacao up to 80 or 90 degrees or even more, and it will give the classic burnt flavor. It doesn't happen with this machine. So this is pre-refined cacao. With just one pass, it would be already good for loading in the ball mill in the next batch. So as you see, this machine is probably the fastest of the whole process. So in less than a minute processed probably already 5 or 6 kilograms of cacao nibs. So only for your enjoyment we are going to do a double pass to see the famous cocoa waves. We are tightening the gap of the first roll. Do you know this book? The cover of this book is a picture of this machine.